I'm Alissa Bayer, and I'm the founder of Milk and Honey, and relaxation is really important to me. And the first thing I need to do is get my kids situated so I can actually have a few moments of peace. Then I'll start the bath, and then I'll head to the kitchen to make some tea. The tea blend consists of herbal tea that's just, restorative to just my body in general. So hibiscus, raspberry leaf, blackberry leaf, rosehip. It's just a mix of loose teas and dried herbs that I mix together. Today I'm going to use our muscle soak. It just really helps with aches and pains and inflammation, and I find that this one I tend to gravitate to a lot. Before I get in the bath, a lot of people do this after. I do this before and after. I just like a really hydrating bath, and so I will kind of slather our bath and body oil. I like the number 8. All of our blends are really meant to complement one another, so you don't have to just stick to just one of the blends. And I find it just really helps with the hydration and the full kind of aromatherapy experience. So no bath would be complete without a candle. My favorite candle is the number 46, which is lavender, sandalwood, cardamom, vetiver, all warm, really grounding essential oils. And they're also, this particular blend was designed to, just be really relaxing and soothing, but also uplifting in terms of your mood. So it's not energizing, but it's, just puts you in a really happy mood. So when I'm really trying to relax, I won't even bring my phone into the tub. I just get a good book, and it's just a great opportunity to unplug, and we're looking at screens all day, and just reading a good book in the bathtub is pretty heavenly. I like to listen to nothing, like just silence, no music, no kids screaming, just silence.